How to add formula in cell in Excel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me type some value or numbers to add the formula. Okay, so whenever you start the formula in Excel, you need to start with that sign. Okay, that equal sign. Now if you want to apply the sum formula, then just type the equal sign, then type the sum formula, just hit the tab. Now the bracket will be open here. Now you have to select the all cell which you want to make the sum. Okay, and just now close the formula, sorry, bracket, and just hit the enter. Now you can see this formula has been apply, and the sum formula has been applied, and total you can see it is visible to you. Okay, now if you want to copy paste this formula to any other cell, you have to just select that formula, that cell which has formula. Okay, just select that, just hit the F2 on your keyboard. Now here in formula tab, in formula cell, you have to just select that formula like this, just copy it, right click on it, copy it, and select that cell where you want to paste it, and right click on it and paste here. One second, let me again copy it, select that formula and paste here. Okay, hit the enter. Let me check first. Okay, the formula has been entered. What you need to do, just select that cell, copy here, just copy this, right click and copy it. Now hit the escape. Okay, now just select that cell and paste here, hit the control plus V. Okay, now if you select that another cell and press F2, you can see this formula will be visible to you. Okay, so this formula has been applied to another cell. So that is how you can also copy paste formula to another cell. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.